Ever wonder how you can contribute to water conservation right in your own backyard? Well, you're in for a treat. Today, we're tackling the importance of water conservation in gardening and how you can make a significant difference. Stay tuned as we delve into 7 actionable tips for water conservation in your garden. First up, let's embrace nature's gift, rainwater. Collect it in barrels or buckets to nourish your plants. Not only is this method cost-effective, but it also makes good use of a natural resource. Our second tip involves a gardener's best friend, mulch. Mulch retains soil moisture, reducing water usage. Mulching not only conserves water, but also adds nutrients to your soil. Timing is everything, and this applies to watering your garden too. Water early in the morning or late evening to minimize evaporation. By watering at these times, you reduce water loss due to evaporation. Choosing the right plants can also make a big difference. Drought-resistant plants thrive with less water, ideal for efficient water conservation. These hardy plants require less water, making them perfect for water conservation. Our fifth tip involves a little technology. Opt for efficient watering systems like drip irrigation or soaker hoses. These systems deliver water directly to the plant roots, reducing waste. Let's talk about plant grouping. Grouping plants with similar water needs conserves water. This way, you're not overwatering some plants while underwatering others. Our final tip is all about regular maintenance. Regular upkeep prevents water waste, ensuring plants use water efficiently. Healthy plants are more efficient at using water, so keep your garden in top shape. So there you have it, 7 practical tips to conserve water in your garden. From rainwater collection to regular maintenance, each method contributes to an efficient, eco-friendly garden. Start implementing these tips today and make a positive impact on water conservation. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips. Happy gardening!